Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Singapore style roasted chicken rice. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the marinade for the chicken. I have with me over here 1 tablespoon of salt. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of 5-spice powder or 五香粉. Mix it up well. After you mix them up well, set them aside. This is the chicken that we'll be using. It's a frozen chicken. It's a 1 kilogram chicken. Just relax it a little bit by pulling on the thigh as well as the wings. With the 5-spice powder and salt mix, you put it into the cavity of the chicken over here. Just spread it in. Basically, this is to season the meat inside. Why is it not coated on the outside? Because 5-spice powder burns easily. So we just need to season the inside. Using your hand, rub it thoroughly. This is a very easy way to prepare your chicken. Once you're done with this, you add in 1 stalk of spring onion, tied up like this. Press it down a little bit to get the juices out. Just put it inside the cavity and rub it all inside the chicken. You can leave it in the chicken, no problem at all. Next, we need to add a little bit of color to the chicken. 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Slowly pour over the chicken. Pour a little first. Rub it all over the chicken. And then on the other side, do the same. Normally, I will advise you to marinate this overnight, but if you don't have the time, minimum 2 hours and above. We'll leave this in the fridge uncovered because I want the skin to be a little bit on the dry side so that when we roast it, the color will be very nice. But remember, before you roast this, please leave this out in open for at least half an hour to 45 minutes to get it at room temperature. I'll show you when I'm ready to roast it. We have marinated the chicken for 1 day and I've left it at room temperature for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and now we'll start to roast it. Put your chicken in. We roast the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes using top and bottom heat. I'll see you back in a while. While we are roasting the chicken, we'll cook our chicken rice too. I'm using my La Gourmet multi-cooker. This is a very versatile cooker. You can use this as a rice cooker, can use it to brew your stew or to cook your soup and pressure cook, no problem at all. Now heat it up using open lid cooking. Add in a little bit of oil, maybe about 1 tablespoon. We're going to fry our aromatics now. Add in 10 grams of butter. Add in also 10 grams of ginger, young ginger smashed up, plus 4 leaves of pandan leaf tied in a knot. Put them all in. We are going to add in 1 whole bulb of garlic, washed, skin on. Put it in. We'll fry this a while until we can really smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, the ginger. This will take about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm beginning to smell how fragrant this is. Once you can smell the beautiful aroma, we'll add in our rice. Add in 280 grams of jasmine rice, washed and rinsed. Put it in. To get a beautiful flavor like chicken rice, we are going to add in 1 cube of chicken stock bouillon. Smash it out a little bit like this. Just add them all in. Mix them up well. This is going to be so good. We are not adding any salt at this moment because the chicken stock cube is actually quite salty. So we wait it till the end. After we taste our rice, if it's not salty enough, then we just add a little bit of salt. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in our water. Add in 300 milliliters of water. Just push the rice back down in and spread them out. The ratio that I'm using is 1:1. Same cup I use to measure my rice, I use it to measure my water. So overall, I'm using 2 cups of rice with 2 cups of water. Now we'll put the lid on and turn this to rice cooker function. Just press the button, rice. And we'll let this cook. I'll see you back in a while. I've shifted the chicken around because I want a more even browning. Without opening the oven, Let's turn the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. We now need to brown it. We'll brown this for approximately 5 to 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius each side. I'll show you how it looks like after 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes is up, let's have a look. Right, nice. This is what we want it to be. We'll now turn it to the other side. And continue to roast this side for another 10 minutes. If you like to have a darker shade of color on your skin, feel free to turn the temperature up to about 220. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. While we wait for the chicken and rice to be ready, let's prepare our sauce. I have with me over here 40 milliliters of hot water. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well. You'll wait for this to cool down, and later when you're ready to serve your chicken rice, we'll just drizzle this over the chicken rice. 10 minutes is up, let's have a look. Beautiful. We'll now rest this for about 15 minutes before we cut it up. The rice is done, let's have a look. Wow, smells really, really good. Now we'll remove the garlic, the pandan leaf, as well as the ginger from the rice. If you like to eat garlic, no problem. It's very soft right now, you can actually eat it. Can't wait to taste this. Now we'll loosen up the rice. Whoa. Give this a taste to make sure that it's salty enough for us. We'll be adding in half a teaspoon of salt, but do taste first before you add salt in. Give it a good mix. Now all we have to do is cut up our chicken and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells absolutely delicious. The rice first. You got to try this, really, really good. Chicken. Very nice, light spice taste. Absolutely delicious with the rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. 哇，超好吃的。